Brainstorming method. A method that's as simple as it is powerful. Gather your team, define the problem, and let the ideas flow. Quantity matters here. More ideas mean more possibilities to explore. Afterward, sort through them, refine the feasible ones, and start building your solution. It's ideal for creative or open-ended challenges. Root cause analysis, 5 whys. Have you ever felt like fixing one issue just leads to another? That's where root cause analysis comes in. By repeatedly asking why 5 times or more, you peel back the layers to identify the real source of a problem. SWOT analysis. Start by listing your internal strengths and weaknesses, followed by external opportunities and threats. This framework gives you a clear snapshot of your current situation and helps identify areas to leverage or improve. It's often used in business planning but can be applied to personal growth too. Design thinking. Design thinking is all about empathy and creativity. It's perfect for tackling human-centered problems, like improving customer experiences. The process involves 5 steps: empathize to understand user needs, define the problem, ideate solutions, build prototypes, and test them. Pareto analysis, 80-20th rule. Have limited time or resources? Pareto analysis helps you prioritize by focusing on the vital few, the 20% of causes driving 80% of the effects. For instance, in customer complaints, you might find a few recurring issues that count for most dissatisfaction. Fixing those will yield the greatest results. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is perfect for organizing complex information or brainstorming creatively. Write your central problem in the middle of a page and draw branches for related ideas, solutions, or challenges. This visual approach helps you see connections and patterns that might not be obvious otherwise. PDCA cycle, plan, do, check, act. First, plan by identifying a problem and proposing a solution. Next, do by testing the solution on a small scale. Then, check by analyzing the results. Finally, act by implementing improvements or refining the solution. Rinse and repeat for consistent progress. Trial and error. This straightforward method is about trying different approaches, learning from failures, and adjusting until you find what works. While it's less structured, it's surprisingly effective for simple or experimental problems. 6 thinking hats. This creative problem-solving technique helps teams think from multiple perspectives. Each hat represents a mode of thinking: white for facts, red for emotions, black for risks, yellow for optimism, green for creativity, and blue for process control. By switching hats, you examine the problem holistically and reach balanced solutions. Fishbone diagram, Ishikawa. Also known as the Ishikawa diagram, this tool helps you systematically identify the causes of a problem. Start with the problem at the head of the fish and draw bones for categories like materials, methods, or people. Under each category, list specific factors contributing to the issue. Lean problem solving. Lean problem solving eliminates waste and focuses on value. Whether it's time, materials, or effort, this method ensures every resource is used efficiently. Popular in manufacturing, it can also apply to streamlining processes in almost any field. Heuristic approach. Sometimes, experience is your best guide. The heuristic approach relies on mental shortcuts or rules of thumb. While it's not foolproof, it's a practical way to make quick decisions in familiar scenarios, like recognizing patterns or solving common problems. Systems thinking. Complex problems often have interconnected causes. Systems thinking takes a holistic view, looking at how various parts of a system interact. By identifying feedback loops and unintended consequences, you can address problems at their source. Scamper technique. Scamper is a checklist-based method to stimulate creativity. For example, if you're improving a product, ask, what can I substitute? What can I combine? Can I adapt it for a new use? This structured creativity helps you innovate in practical ways. Delphi technique. The Delphi technique gathers insights from experts without groupthink influencing decisions. Participants share their ideas anonymously, and the process continues until a well-rounded consensus emerges. It's ideal for complex problems requiring diverse expertise.